Hello student, welcome to Jafri and Fatima English Medium School, Mahua. Today we are going to discuss mathematics chapter number 1, integer standard 7, introduction. Before starting today's session, let's do little exercise. Okay, ready with your rough note, ball pen. Here is the introduction of integers. Students, you are very well known about natural numbers. Natural numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3, infinite. That means it's a countless number. That's why it is called a counting number also. Second number you already studied about whole number. Whole number is nothing but a natural number with 0. So whole number is starting from 0. So 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4 infinite numbers. So here is the examples of 0, 1, 2, 3 of whole numbers. Smallest whole number is yes 0 and smallest natural number is 1 and all positive numbers are known as a natural numbers and in whole number 0 plus positive number. Now what about the negative numbers? Have you anytime heard a negative figures? Yes, minus 2 degrees centigrade temperature, minus 8 degree centigrade temperature, Shimla, Srinagar, etc. Integer is a whole number plus negative number. So there are a countless negative number also. We can say in our example minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and then after 1, 2, 3 . Now regarding this three distinguish between natural number, whole number and integers are very clearly in your mind. Definition is here. Definition means a positive numbers, a number greater than 0. That means a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Now it is always comes to the right side of 0. Now what is here? Here you can find a negative number. A number less than 0 is known as negative number. So it's a minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. It is shown on number line on the left side of 0. So here you can see the arrow also. It is showing us the negative numbers are always comes to the left side of the 0. Now see, opposite number is nothing but number that are the same distance from 0 in the opposite direction. Suppose I want to take a 4 positive number. So what is the opposite of 4 number? Yes, opposite of 4 number means from 0 to how many numbers it is moved? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Is it? So we reach up to the 4. Now what about the negative numbers? 4 steps. So here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, it is showing here this number is a minus 4. The same number is with minus sign. Sign is minus. And when we add this both number, we will get a 0. Minus 4 plus 4. Or you can say a plus 4 minus 4. It is also giving a 0. Isn't it? You no need to put the plus sign because the number first having no sign, it's a positive only. Clear? Let's check. This is a minus 3. Minus 3 opposite is 3. The same distance from here to there. Yes. Now regarding definition integer, we can define a integer are all the whole numbers and all their opposites on the negative number line including 0. Sometimes they can ask it like this way. Integer definition what? Nothing. Negative number, 0, positive numbers. Opposite number means a positive number's opposite is negative number. 7 opposite is minus 7. Yes, good. And 9 minus 9. And minus 9 is 9. Absolute value. Absolute value is nothing. The size of a number with or without the negative sign. That means always positive numbers. Yes, you may be seen this type of thing so many places. Yes, be careful. Here is a positive and negative. Both number are shown. You are talking about the speedometer. Yes, bike and motor car. But they are only having the positive numbers increasing. But students, you can just check it. This side is the positive numbers. This side is the positive numbers. And this side, yes, this side is a negative numbers they are showing. Digits are there 0, 20, 40, 60. So one card showing a 20 points. Yeah, sometimes you can prepare like this way your magic game. Correct answer, you can give plus marks, negative marks, or wrong answer or incorrect answers. Yes, good. Arrow is showing pointing the things. It is showing the temperature meter. Yes, negative numbers are used to measure temperature. In factory, these types of things they used. Yes, here you found a one sheep is sunk into the water. Yes, here you can find a water level. This is the water. Here is the water. This is the iceberg. Have you heard about the iceberg? Yes, iceberg is nothing but a ice mountain. Ice mountain, upside you can see this much is size, height is the big one, but you cannot see the downside how much is that. Double not triple size. And one ship is coming over from here. It didn't see the iceberg and sunk into the water. Yes, this is the height of the iceberg is 30 meter. Yes, that's given here 10, 20 and 30. What about the under the water? Yes, that's a minus 10. Opposite of 10 is minus 10. Opposite of minus 20 is minus 20. Opposite of 30 is minus 30. Minus 40. It's a far away. Yes, now you got the idea. This is the plus and minus numbers. Vertically also you can see. Now hint. If you don't see a negative or a positive sign in front of a number, it is a positive. Just now we discussed. Next, a 9 only is showing the positive 9. Yes, 9. Integer addition rules. What are the rules for addition? Yes, same rule for a natural number and a whole numbers. See, rule number 1. If the signs are the same, pretended the signs aren't there. Add the numbers and then put the sign of the addendums in front of your answer. If positive, then positive. Negatives, negative only. Rule number 1. This is the example. 9 plus 5. Both number are positive. Answer also will comes in positive 14. Suppose there is a minus 9 plus 9 minus 5. Both number are negative. Adding together, answer should be addition, but sign is negative. Minus 14 is the answer. See here, you can solve the problem. Yes, first two both numbers are negative. We should have to add up and gives the answer 3 plus 5, 8. But 8 which type of that? Negative. Yes, correct. Yes, now what about second one? Correct. Both are positive. You can add it. 4 plus 7 will give you 11. But 11 is a positive number. No need to put the prefix as a plus sign. Only negative numbers needs. See in bracket, both number are plus, answer is also 7. Both numbers are negative, answer is also negative. 6 minus 7, both negative, that minus 13 is the answer. 5 plus 9, both are positive, answer is 14. Yes, minus 9 and minus 9. What? Yes, you have doubt for this one. Minus 9 plus minus 9. So students, minus into minus, that gives a minus only. So here minus 18 is the answer. Some student has the doubt for this one. Why it's a 2 times sign is given? So we are knowing plus into minus gives the minus answer. Isn't it? Yes. Now check your answers here also. 8 plus 13, 21, minus 22, minus 11, 33, minus 55 plus 17 gives us 72, minus 14, minus 35, it is gives us a 49. Solve this problem once again. One number is positive, one number is negative. Whenever you found these types of questions, you should have to subtract the numbers. And here, forget about the sign. You have to select big number first and subtract small number. Yes, 5 minus 3, answer is 2. But here, wait, which number is bigger? Yes, 5. And 5 have which sign? Negative. The answer is a minus 2. Yes, put the minus sign of a bigger number. Sorry, here bigger number is 5. That's why answer is a 5. 5 minus 3, answer is 2. But 5 is a bigger number and it is a minus sign. That's why the answer is minus 2. Final answer in red color. Minus 2. Yes, correct. Now look at over here. 4 minus 7. Sorry, minus 7 plus 4. 7. Minus 4 plus 7. Easy. 7 minus 4. 3. No need to change any sign because 7 is a big number than 4. That's why answer is 3 positive. And positive number, no need to put the positive sign. Yes, positive sign is a plus sign. C. 7 is a bigger number. Answer remain the same, 3. Plus 3 plus into minus 4. See students, here be careful. First step you have to make it 3 minus 4. Yes, 4 is bigger. 4 minus 3 you can do. Yes, that's a minus 1. Let's check. 1 is the answer. 4 minus 3 is a 1 is the answer. But more big number is a 4 and it has a minus sign. Good. Look at here. Minus 1 is the answer. What about this one? Correct. 7 minus 6, 1. 5 minus 9. Yes, 9 minus 5 you can do. 9 minus 5 gives a 4. But here we have to select the sign of a number. 9 is a bigger number. Select a minus sign. Correct? Yes. Minus 9 plus 9. Yes, what is the answer? Suppose you have 5 rupees and you purchase a 5 rupees wafer. How many rupees you will have now? Yes, 0. Finished. Easy. The rules are also same as the natural number and whole numbers. And 0 has no sign. Number line also you can do addition and subtraction. Even multiply also. See, when the number is positive, count to the right side of the 0. When the number is negative, count to the left side of the 0. That's we are representing. But addition, add number, positive side you have to move. Subtract means you have to move left side. Okay? Check it. Suppose, so we can say plus always on right side, minus on the left side. So whenever you found a negative sign, you have to move that steps on left side. Whenever you found positive sign, you have to move on right side. Let's see. Plus 3 plus minus 5. One way to add integer is with a number line. Number line is here. First of all, we have to move on plus 3. Which side we have to go? Yes, right side. Number 3. How many steps? 3 steps. So we will reach on the 3. From there, now what is there? Plus into minus 5. That means a minus 5. Plus into minus, that gives a minus 5. So from 3, you have to move left side. How many steps? 5 steps. Yes, see, look at here, minus sign. From 3, 5 steps you have to move on the left side. Now where you will reach? Yes, on the place of minus 2. The answer also minus 2 according our calculation. And according number line, the same answer is there. Look at about 6 minus 4. Move your pointer to the, yes, 6 steps right side. And from 6 you have to move left side 4 steps. The answer is 2, positive 2. Plus 3 minus 7. Yes, minus 4 is the answer, but how? On number line you just check out. Plus 3, then after minus 7 left side will give us minus 4. Plus 3, sorry, minus 3 plus 7. Plus always give plus, huh? This table already we studied. Once again I draw here. Plus into plus give us plus. Plus into minus gives us minus. Minus into plus gives us minus. But minus into minus gives us a plus. Or you can say whenever the both number sign, both two signs are different, answer always come negative. When signs are equal, both signs are equal, answer is positive. See, minus minus plus, plus plus plus. Good. Minus 3 left side, 3 steps. From 3 steps you have to move right side 7 steps. Will give us a 4. Yes, 4 is the answer. But which type of 4? Plus 4. Integer subtraction rule. Same way, subtracting a negative number is the same as adding a positive. Change the sign and add. 2 minus minus 7. Simple, minus minus plus is the same as 2 plus 7. Yes, answer is 9. How? See, minus 8. 12 plus 8, 20. Minus 3 minus 11. See, both numbers are minus and they are subtracting. Here you should have to take care. This is a minus first number, minus sign and minus second number. So first of all keep the minus number as it is and this plus sign and 11. Yes, out of this one number is plus, one number is minus. What you have to do? Subtraction. 11 minus 3 gives us 8 and 8 is a positive number. Why? 11 is a positive number, that's why. See, check the answer. Yes, answer is 8, correct. See, the check your answers. Once again it is given us 8 minus 12 means plus 20. 20 subtract minus 30. 22 plus 30, 52 minus 17 minus 3, that gives us plus 3. 17 minus and plus 3 is positive number. Answer is minus 14. Minus 52 minus 5, 57 but negative. One way to add integer in with a number line. Yeah, same way we can do. When the number is a positive, count to the right. When the number is negative, count to the left. Yes, this already we completed this topic. And now last but not least, this is very important things. In one slide only everything is given. Integer consists of whole numbers and negative numbers and it is denoted as Z. In bracket we can say dot 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 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 dot dot dot. In bracket it is shown. Here you can find a number line with a positive and negative. Positive number are shown with the blue color and negative numbers are shown with the red color or pink color. But it is on the left side of the 0, negative numbers are there. On the right side of 0, positive numbers are there. Yes, we are knowing for numbers 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Yes, properties are there. Closure property. Yes, I want to show you what is the closure property. Students, closure property is nothing. Suppose there are two numbers A and B. Two numbers are there and addition. We are discussing now about addition only. Closure property of the numbers or integers. Suppose one number is 3 and second number is 5. What is the answer? Yes, 8 is the answer. But 8 is lying under the, yes, integer only. 8 is also integer. So first number is integer, second number is integer. Answer always integer. That means it is sign is belongs to. This is the sign is belongs to, not E. Student, E is like this way. And this is showing different way. See how it is showing. Belongs to. How to read out this one? Belongs to. Z means you can understand. In symbol we can represent. Shall we have to write this is an addition question? No, we understood. Sign only gives us these numbers we should have to add. Suppose I am writing here 5 minus 2. What we have to do here? Subtraction. Minus. Is it written anywhere minus? M-I-N-U-S? No. Here only sign is there. That's why this is a belongs to sign. What is sign? Belongs to. Z means integers. Okay? Same for the subtraction. If two numbers are there, we subtract it. Answer always comes in integers only. When one integer is subtracting from the second integer, answer is always integer. Yes? Any doubt? No. Now third about. Two numbers are there multiplying together, which is also belongs to Z. 3 into 5. Yes, 15. 3 into minus 5. Minus 15. Minus 4 into minus 2. Yes, plus 8. Plus 8 is also integer. It is also belongs to Z. Now, division. Division also is there, but you can check it. Here the sign is different. Student, look at here. The sign is like this way now. Yes, you are knowing about this one. What is the sign of this one? Equal to. And what about this one? Yes, not equal to. Same way, this is belongs to. This is not belongs to. It is not answer. Why? See, because you can divide minus 5 divided by 2. Forget about sign. You can divide it 5 divided by 2. 2 to the 4. What is the answer? 1. Is it? Yes, or you can say answer is 2.5. Point wala answer is not there. There are not integers. 1 by 2, that's a 0.5. Or you can write 2 and 1 by 2. This is a fractions. We will study in next lesson. But here not belongs to, you got the answer here. It is not the same one. Suppose it's a 4 divided by 2. That's the answer is 2. Yes, 2 is the integer. So you have the idea regarding the closure property. Two numbers are there. You can add it in any order. For commutative property. Commutative property means nothing. Two numbers are there. If you change the order, answer remain the same. For addition. For subtraction, it is not possible. Suppose there is a number 3 plus 5. is equal to 8. Isn't it? Or you can say 5 plus 3, it is also gives the 8. Both answer are same. But what about the subtraction? You can write here 3 minus 2 gives us a 1. But 2 minus 3, what is the answer? 1? No, minus 1. Both answer are different, plus and minus. Okay? So that's why this is not belongs to. It is not possible. That's why here not equal to sign is given. Have you seen this one not equal to sign? Yes, this is the equal to sign and this is not equal to sign. Now what about the multiply? Multiply is possible. Both side multiply, a into b, two numbers are there, b into a also possible. But for division, not possible. Now regarding the third property is an associative property of the integers. Three numbers are there. Make two group first, a plus b, and third one c is separate one. When you make it ulta, you take first alone and second third in group. See, this is two together. A plus b are together. Here b and c is together. Here c is alone. Here a is alone. But both answer remain same. See, 2 plus 3 plus 1. What is the answer? 6. Or you can say 2 is separate plus 3 plus 1. What is the answer? 6. Both answer are correct. So both are equal. It's a property of associative. For negative number, not possible. Multiple is possible. Division is not possible. Last but not least, distributive property. Distributive is nothing. Whenever you multiply one number with another bracket numbers, either positive or negatives, it may be this number has to multiply with the first number, and then after put the sign of the bracket plus or minus, then after same number with multiply with the second one, AB into AC also. Same way, it is here negative subtraction. You can find out a into b minus c, it gives us ab minus ac, but not applicable for multiply and division. Here in each and every example, b is not a non-zero integer. That means it's at more than 0. One number is needed. Okay, non-zero, either is positive or negative. And ABC, three numbers are belongs to Z. I think so you got the all answers here, and we are concluding today's topic, integers, and try to understand with the textbook. If you have any doubt, clarify it. We will meet in next session with exercise 2.1. Thank you. Till there, bye. Take care. Be safe. Okay. Wash your hand regularly.